How to fix Realtek HD Audio Manager not showing in Windows 10. Here are some steps that would help fix Realtek HD Audio Manager not showing in Windows 10. 1. Remove the Realtek HD audio driver from control panel. Hint: choose yes when you see the following Realtek definition audio. Uninstall, alert. 2. Manually delete a folder, Realtek at program files. 3. Reinstall the removed Realtek HD audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.